Hey there, game developers. Are you tired of losing a huge chunk of your hard-earned revenue to the big platforms like Steam and app stores? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Fungies. Fungies is a game-changing platform that allows you to sell your game keys and mobile game assets directly to your players, cutting out the middleman and keeping more of your sweet cash in your pockets. Here's how it works. 1. You create your own web shop using Fungi's super easy to use platform. No coding skills required, my friends. Just drag and drop your way to an awesome looking store that reflects your brand. 2. Upload your game keys and assets to your Fungi store. Easy peasy. You can even sell in-game items and collectibles to your loyal fans. 3. Fungi's handles all the payment processing for you, so you can focus on making awesome games. They've got all the major payment methods covered, so your players can buy your stuff with ease. 4. You get to keep more of your earnings. While the big platforms take a whopping 30% cut, Fungi's only charges a tiny 5% fee plus 50 cents per transaction. That's a huge difference. But wait, there's more. Fungi's also gives you access to your players' email contacts, so you can build your own mailing list and keep them updated with your latest games and special offers. It's like having your own personal marketing army. And the best part, there are no monthly fees or upfront costs. You only pay when you make a sale, so it's a total no-brainer for indie studios and smaller developers. I've seen some amazing success stories from game devs who've used Fungi's to boost their sales and build stronger relationships with their players. By directing traffic from Steam or social media to their Fungi stores, they've been able to increase their revenue while keeping more of the profits. So what are you waiting for, game developers? Join the Fungi's revolution and take control of your sales process. With our platform's powerful features, low fees, and easy-to-use store builder, Fungi's is the perfect solution for anyone looking to maximize their earnings and connect with their players on a deeper level. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and also subscribe for more insights into game development and payment solutions. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions about integrating Fungi's into your PC or mobile game. Until next time, happy gaming.